Hi, I'm Chad here from Adventure Motorsports. I'm on the sales team here. We are here to talk about the GasGas today and its similarities to the KTM. So what we have here today is the GP300 2025 and the KTM Hard Enduro 300 XCW 2025. GasGas had some struggles around in 2015. KTM ended up acquiring them in about 2019. So this is now fully a KTM product. You can see the similarities on the frame platform from the Hard Enduros. This is the GP300, which is their anniversary bike this year. It is equivalent to the XCW. They are fuel injected, oil injected, just like the WKTM. You can see here they are running the same chassis, same subframe. The big difference between KTM and GasGas are the triple clamps, which these are forged aluminum. The KTM is a CNC forged system. They do run a Braketech brake instead of a Brembo, which is on the KTM. So the bikes are similar. GasGas is supposed to be a more affordable bike on the lineup that they do. They almost make a matching bike between the setups in every bike, except there's a certain few they do not. Between the 4-strokes and the 2-strokes, it is a similar bike. They do run a different tire package on them. They generally run a Maxxis tire, whereas you run a Geomax on these. The only part that this bike shares with the Husky, which is also another KTM brand, is the swing arm. Other than that, it's a similar bike. They do not put the case covers in black like they do on the KTMs. So the big difference between the off-road bikes in this version between the KTM and the GasGas, KTM runs a PDS suspension which has no linkage hanging down, which makes it better for going over rocks and logs. And when you come on down to the GasGas, you are running the linkage suspension, which does handle better in high-speed whoops. So for price-wise, between the two bikes in the special edition bikes, you're around $11,299 on this one, and you're around $13,599 on this one. If you do get this in the standard version, you're around $10,299, and you're around $11,599 on this one. So for your bang for your buck, in the affordability, that's why GasGas is more the affordable bike. So if you do not have a budget, money's not a problem. The KTM is a great performance bike, but if you are more of an affordable person, you're needing to be in a budget, the GasGas is a great quality bike. It is basically a KTM. You have the same motor, same chassis, same subframe, just a few things that are different to make it more affordable bike. Do highly recommend it. So what makes this a GP edition over your standard edition is you're gonna see that first off, you're getting a black wheel over a polished wheel. The plastics are totally custom to this bike. If you do ruin these are forged into the plastic. You have to get them through GasGas, and you are the only one that can get them. They do put a map switch on the GP, which they do not have a map switch on your standard. The other cool thing is they do have the red anodized sprocket down here. You are running a black frame over a red frame. You are getting the full skid plate on this bike. They do run a black handlebar specific to this bike, and you do get hand guards with this bike. So for roughly about $1,000 difference, this is what you're getting over a standard bike, which is a lot for your money. Between plastics, the black wheels, you're spending way more money than that just to get this bike. So what's really awesome about this GasGas is you're getting a bike that looks kind of like a factory bike for actually $200 less than what you would get a KTM XCW in the standard version, which for bang for your buck, that is a really good option. So if you're looking for an affordable, great looking bike, GasGas is a great way to go. If you have any questions, come on down to Adventure Motorsports, and us here at the sales team would love to help you. Have a great day.